It is big and fuzzy. What do you think it is? Do you think it's real?
Yeah.
Let's see.
No.
Let's see.
What's that white stuff?
That's just paper.
It's a gorilla.
It's a gorilla. You were scared? You thought it was real?
Yeah.
Do you think she would really send you a real gorilla? Here,
Yeah.
pull this open.
It's gonna be cool.
I think it is gonna be cool.
Yeah. I thought it was gonna be real though.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It does look real. Look at how big and cool.
Oh, it's a tag.
Yeah, they don't put tags on real gorillas, do they?
No.
What do you think? Should we take it all out of its wrapper?
What's it do?
It's just a fun toy to snuggle with, read to. Maybe he'll eat the food you cook.
His mouth isn't open.
That's cool. Look at me and smile.
A big ball.
Next to his face. Okay, I'll help you take it out.
I want a mouth so bad. Oh!
Oh my gosh.
He is so heavy.
He is big. Is he bigger than you? Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at his ding dong. Look at it. Ding dong. Ding dong. How do you take this out?
I'll help you. I'll get scissors.
Ding dong. Oh. No, Mom.